Hello and welcome. So in this video, we will be learning about the Python data types. So let's get started. So to understand the data types, I have created a diagram, which is this. This is the diagram, and I have grouped all of the data types as well, so that we can understand those in a bit more elegantly. So now what we can do, we can start from the left side and go to the right side and discuss what are the data types which are available in Python. In this video, we will be going through all of the data types and we will be discussing a little bit about those data types. But in the upcoming videos, we will be going through each of the data types in a bit more details, and then we are able to understand, okay, what that data type is and how we can use that. So let's get started. Now let's go to the left, and first of all we have the numeric data types. So these represents the numbers. So in the numbers we have the integers, the float, and the complex. Now the integers are the whole numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 6, something like that. The floats are the decimal numbers like 1.0, 2.4, something like that. And then we have the complex numbers as well. If you have done some sort of mathematics with the complex numbers, then you can relate to that. And if you don't worry. This is not something we are going to use in the daily basis, but it is there, and we should know that like it is there. So that is the numeric data types. Then we have the strings, under which we have nothing because strings are the standalone data type. Strings are basically the set of characters. So we will be discussing that in the later part. Then we have the sequence data types, under which we have the range, list, and tuples. These are a bit complex data types which we have, and we use the list and the tuples quite a bit, but the range not so often. But yeah, it is better to know that, right? Then we have the binary data types, under which we have the byte arrays, bytes, and memory view. Uh, Frankly speaking, these binary data types are not being used so much in the daily basis, but still, it is good to know. Then we have the mapping data type, under which we have only one thing, which is the dictionary, and this is being used quite often in the development. Then we have the Boolean type, under which we have only like two options, which is true and false. So this is being used in Python quite often. And then we have the set data type, under which we have two things. One is set and another one is frozen set. So yeah, this is the last one for now. So this is a high level overview of the data types which are being available in Python and which we can use in our code. So what we will be doing after this video, we will be discussing the data types in a bit more details, and we will be starting with the strings. So thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.